At the height of the Cold War, the United States launched almost 500,000 tiny needles into space in an endeavor called Project Westford. The best way we had to communicate with our overseas buddies and pals was undersea cables, which is still the case, but now it's internet cables. But the military thought the cables could easily be cut by the Soviets. And that'd be a big problem because the only other way to communicate was to use shortwave radio frequencies that can bounce off the ionosphere. The ionosphere is a layer of the atmosphere that has charged particles that can reflect shortwave. So shortwaves can bounce off the ionosphere and back to Earth a bunch of times to travel further in multiple hops if conditions are just right. But that's the problem, conditions aren't right for multiple hops very oftenly. Tons of things affect it, like seasons, weather, the day and night cycle, and even the 11-year sunspot cycle. So what they wanted to do is create a ring of needles around the Earth so that they could bounce signals off them more reliably instead. On the second attempt, they successfully got almost 500,000 needles into space, and the immediate response from scientists and people in general was, what the fuck? It was said they were all going to burn up in the atmosphere within 3 years, but as of this year, at least 44 clumps of needles larger than 10 centimeters are still known to be up there.